Solid machined brass for dependable performance, peace of mind. Quick connect. A 1/4-inch male thread makes installation easy. Use with 8896 to 6 hose fitting. Replaces Yamaha 6Y1-24305-03. Connect your tank and fuel lines with confidence. The solid machined brass construction holds up to leaded, unleaded, and alcohol-based fuels. Attwood Corporation has been an award-winning leader in engineering, testing, and manufacturing the highest quality marine products for over 100 years. We deliver safe and reliable lighting, fuel systems, water systems, seating pedestals, swim ladders, custom upholstery, and general marine accessories that are easy to install and meet regulatory compliance. Top reviews from the United States. Yamaha gas tank fitting. I bought a Chinese gas tank that was the only one I could find to fit my John boat. I also bought a Johnson of Inrude fuel line to connect the motor to the tank. I had no idea that the tank fitting was brand specific, but the fuel line was the same on both ends. I cut off the Johnson of Inrude connector at the tank end and replaced it with this Yamaha fitting, and it connected perfectly.